You do this every day? Yeah. Why? 'Cause I love it.
Yo. What's wrong?
Start a new trend. First, I want you to show me your pet, and then I want you to show me what your pet was named after.
This is how we do it. This is how we do it.
Alan, that's not a toy that goes by the door. Here, this is a toy. This is your toy. You play with that. Come on.
Good dog, I'm a good dog, I'm a good dog. Yes, I'm a good dog, I'm a good dog, I'm a good dog. I'm a good dog, I'm a good dog, I'm a real thing. It's always better when we're together. It's always better when we're together. Yeah, we'll look at them stars and we're together.
Let go. No. But that's not a toy. Alan, that's the door, the draft stopper. Baby. What is it? What is it?
I'm sleeping, don't bother me. I said don't. You're bugging me, you're bugging me. You're gonna pay for this when you're asleep. Get that camera out of my face.
Yes. That's not a toy. You know that's not a toy? Oh, okay, let's go get a ball.
I love my apples every day. I love them in the springtime. I love them in the fall. I really love my apples. I'm gonna eat them all.
Man, I'm tired of people calling me cute. I gotta show them I'm a vicious dog. I'm vicious. Let me practice.
Hi, puppy, it's super hard today. Now there's one thing left to do. I'm gonna snooze.
Green or red or yellow, tart or crisp or sweet. I'm only really happy as long as I can eat all of my apples.
I'm having a cup of coffee. Does anybody want coffee? Because I'm having a cup of coffee. I'm making coffee. Anybody want coffee? I'm making coffee.
Oh, you just knocked him over. Stop knocking him over.